My name is Emmanuel Nelson and I'm an automation sales engineer. This video is all about this Advantech module, which is the ADAM-6050 unit, and how it's possible to use this unit to communicate with the Schneider PLC, because the Schneider PLC has got the Modbus port and it's a widely used PLC on the market. This video will explain step by step how to get this communication up and running. Modbus is a medium of communicating between devices. It's just like you've got Ethernet, Canopy, DeviceNet, or other sort of protocols. So when we connect to our Schneider PLCs we've got down here, we'll be able to read, we'll be able to write to the registers on the Modbus. And just imagine we've got the registers, we've got a switch that is turning something on and off. So what I've got on my screen here, I've got a motor, I want to turn it on, and I've got another motor, and what I've done is I've put a delay on the motor that when you turn one on, within 5 seconds, the other one turns on, and everything shows in the video. So we've got the information we need from the utility software. We set the fixed IP address for our PLC. We go through the Schneider software, which is the EcoStruxure Machine Expert software. And then we add a Modbus TCP slave units. On the Modbus TCP slave unit, we do have to put the IP address for the ADAM unit, which is 10.0.0.1. We would then have to go to the Modbus TCP channel and set the channel up based on what function code you want to either read, write, or write multiple registers. So if we want to read the recording register, we just have to put the offset number we've seen on the utility software. We just have to put the number and the length, and that get the connection up and running. You've just witnessed how easy for us to download the program we've got onto our PLC. Right, with my switch, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my motor on, and when I turn my motor on, the first motor comes on. Within some few seconds, the second one comes on. We prove that there is a perfect communication between the PLC and the ADAM unit. What a great device it is. I hope this video was very helpful. If you need more information, just click on the link in the comments. Thank you.